Good day. It is Sunday, May 3rd, 2020. Thank you for joining us here on YouTube. Today we are going to talk about something of utmost importance, and that is the onset of the second leg of the primary bear market, which began in February. If you go to the 7sentinels.com website, you will see across the top and across the bottom a number of linked articles. Of those are a couple here called Transformative Truth About 2020, which we wrote on January 10th of 2020. Another called Occams Razor we wrote on January 27th of 2020, and those were talking about the bear market that is underway now in 2020. And of course, we wrote these two articles before this onslaught of a bear market began. But just to give you a couple of ideas of what we said in those articles, which you're welcome to read, we hope you will, are that in the first article, Transformative Truth About 2020, which was about the VIX, we wrote, all of this tells us where we are in the cycle. The turn will come when the daily and the line of least resistance sentinels both produce sell signals. That point is close. How close? Maybe weeks, maybe just hours. Our sentinels will answer that question in the weeks ahead, and indeed they did in a spectacular way on February 20th when we went short the market right in here. This is a daily chart of the Standard & Poor's for this year of 2020. Right here was that top. We had written this article back on January 10th saying that this point is very, very close. Then on January 25th, we wrote an article entitled the Occams Razor. And in that article, let's find our quote from that. Then on January 26th, we published Occams Razor, where we wrote, a major top or bottom goes unrecognized in its own time, because as mortals, we have the unfortunate tendency to miss the big picture as we get caught up in the minutia before us. And so such was the case for 99.9% of all the traders out there that just were not seeing that top as it was making itself very well known to us via the measures that we use. In January of 2020, we said at that point the decline is very close and it will be one for the record books. It is one for the record books, my friends, and we are participating in that decline together, because it is one of the best trading environments of our lifetimes. This is, in fact, 25 years of the New York Stock Exchange Composite average, and those periods when the 13-month moving average of the New York Stock Exchange Composite is moving up. That's a bull market. When that 13-month moving average is moving down, that's a bear market, bull market, etc. We are definitively, absolutely, clearly in a bear market now, as the 13-month moving average of the New York Stock Exchange Composite moves down. The monthly MACD also is in a downtrend, as it is in every bear market of the last 100 years. So we are there, folks. But here is the exciting thing today. We have now, after Starting this bear market on February 20th, when we went short and rode it all the way down some, what is that? I guess 1,200 points on the Standard & Poor's. And then we've had this this bear market rally now that our indicators caught and told us, and it has rallied up here in a bear market rally. We have now broken the uptrend of that bear market rally and entered the second leg down. It's not just the daily breaking of the trend that tells us this. It is our line of least resistance sentinels. Sentinels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 all are in downtrends. We have now our sell signal coming right where we broke the uptrend, the bear market rally uptrend. Now we get the line of least resistance sell. We have begun the second leg down, and it is going to be magnificent. It is already. So we just wanted to bring all that to your attention today. Everything that we've talked about here, if you want detail on it, just go to 7 Sentinels, and there are all the articles that are free, or better yet, just subscribe for just 7 days for $7. You don't have to commit to a lifetime subscription. Just do a 7-day subscription for $7 and check us out. You'll see that we publish all day, every day that the market's open. Every night we put out an article. Every weekend we put out our weekly articles, and all of our signals, all of our sentinels, all of our trades, all of the description of the trades, the description of how our trades are driven. And by the way, that's in today's article. We put in there how our trades are defined by the trading rules that we have that are based on the line of least resistance sentinels and the daily 7 sentinels. It's all there. We hope you'll come and take a look. And we just want to thank you once again for coming by and watching this video. And as we enter the week ahead, we wish you good trading.